You think you're productive when you're in the zone? Maybe, but chances are you're not in flow, and definitely not in deep work. Here's what you're doing wrong, and how to fix it. The modern world rewards distraction. Your inbox, your phone, social media, all engineered to hijack your brain, and most people don't even notice. We're working more, producing less, and calling that grind. But real productivity? It starts with silence. Flow feels good. Deep work feels hard. That's the difference. Flow is when time disappears. You're surfing, you're gaming, you're lost in a skill you've already mastered. Deep work is the opposite. It's painful. You're learning, failing, concentrating harder than your brain wants to. And yet, deep work creates progress. Flow reinforces comfort. Both are valuable, but don't confuse them. Cal Newport says, deep work is the skill of the century. UC Irvine found it takes 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction. Yet the average knowledge worker checks email every 6 minutes. Focus isn't a state of mind, it's a muscle, and we're letting it atrophy. Here are 3 tools to train deep work. 1. 60 minutes, 1 task, no phone, no notifications. 2. Productive walks, 1 problem in your head, no distractions. 3rd work ritual, same time, same place, no decisions. Start with 1 hour, deep, quiet, no multitasking. If it feels hard, you're doing it right. If you want results, do it again tomorrow. If you're serious about mastering your focus, this channel is your gym. Subscribe for more systems, not slogans. Like if it sharpened your thinking, share it with someone you want to help focus better.